Welcome to Review Detective, guys. After the good experience we had with the Jbuds Pro, we reached out to Jlab to test out their true wireless earbuds, the Jbuds Air. The retail price for this pair is $49 US, and in the next couple of minutes, we'll find out if they're worth the price tag. Inside the box, you'll find the earbuds themselves, the charging case, 2 pairs of gel tips, a pair of cush fins, 1 sticker, and the easy to follow quick start guide. The materials used for the 500 mAh charging case feel solid and somewhat premium. It has 3 LED LEDs in front which shows battery percentage, and on the bottom there's a cleverly designed charging cable which integrates into the case for a slick look. The magnets holding the case closed are strong enough that it will not open accidentally, and I have to admit that it feels quite satisfying to open and close the lid. When it comes to the earbuds, they're made of hard plastics and weigh 5 grams per earbud, but even if they're light, I find them somewhat bulky and not particularly good looking. Comfort-wise, I found out that after 3 to 4 hours, you'll want to take them off, and in any case, that's about as long as the battery will last. You can obviously store them in a charging case and extend that battery life to over 10 hours. Sound-wise, the Jbuds Air use 8mm dynamic drivers, which sound great for watching movies or YouTube videos, but listening to music was somewhat disappointing. The highs are particularly bad and you shouldn't expect much bass either. You can, however, use the custom EQ presets to try and improve the sound, but the difference wasn't very noticeable for me. Another letdown is that they tend to fall out of your ears. I tried using the cush fins, changing the gel tips, and I still had to occasionally readjust them to stay in place. This is particularly a problem if you plan on using them while working out. And on the subject of working out, the Jbuds Air are rated at IP55, which means they should have no issue against sweat or light rain. The fact that I use Bluetooth 5 is great and allows for fast and easy connection, as they power on automatically and connect to your phone as soon as you take them out of the case. Once paired with your phone, you'll be able to take calls with a microphone in the right earbud only. You'll also be able to listen to music, which brings me to the thing I hate most about these earbuds: the controls. They're quite hard to press, and every time you do so, they get pressed into your ear canal, making them even more uncomfortable. So when taking all this into consideration, I wouldn't recommend you buy the Jbuds Air. They do have some strong points like rapid charging, giving you 1 hour playtime on a quick 15-minute charge. But for me, comfort and fit is essential for a good pair of earbuds. If you guys enjoyed this review, leave a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time. Until then, Review Detective out.